What's up guys, this is Travis with Cultivate Hydroponics and CultivateColorado.com. Today we're going to be going over the top 5 harvest tools we have here at Cultivate. Before we get into the video, be sure to like and subscribe if you learned something or enjoy the video. Let's roll. Starting at number 1, we have Chikamasa trimming scissors. These are basically the top of the line for the industry if you're looking for a high quality trimming scissor. They're made from Japanese stainless steel and they have an antibacterial fluorine coating that helps prevent resin buildup, so you don't have to clean them as often as traditional steel scissors. They're about as high quality as you can get. Number 2 on the list is going to be the TrimBag. So this is a manual tumbler trim bag that expands. It's cylindrical in shape and it has mesh on the inside. So you put in your untrimmed flower and you shake it like a tumbler for several minutes. And when you take it out, you have a nice manicured product. You may still need a little bit of touch up afterwards as it is manual, but if you're looking for a trimmer that helps you get the job done a little quicker and you don't want to do everything by hand, but you don't want a big expensive machine trimmer, the TrimBag is the way to go. Number 3 on our list is essential if you are using trimming scissors like the Chikamasas here, and it's called Scissor-Fix. So this is going to be a product that helps clean your scissors. It has a sponge type material on the inside with a cleaning solution as well. So instead of just soaking your scissors in isopropyl and rubbing them down with paper towels, you can dunk them in the Scissor-Fix and it scrubs them off like new. It saves you time and you don't have to worry about your scissors staying gunked up. Number 4, we got the TrimBin. This is great for anybody who is just hand trimming. You can sit it right on your lap or have it on the table. It has these nice grooves here where you can rest your arms, and it has a built-in mesh screen underneath the label here that's going to catch all that loose flower powder that happens to fall through while you're trimming. This is great if you want to basically catch everything you're trimming, if you want to hold on to your trimmings and you want to collect that powder afterwards, which we all do. The TrimBin is great, especially if you're hand trimming. Coming in at number 5 on our list is going to be the Twister BatchOne Go trimmer. So if you want the best of the best and you want an automated trim machine that's going to take all the work out of it for you, you can't go wrong with the BatchOne Go trim machine. All right guys, so that's gonna wrap it on our top 5 harvest tools. If you had any questions about these products, you can always give us a call at the shop to answer any questions you might have. All the product links are gonna be in the description down below. And if you learned something or enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.